Hi, my name is Imani Glaze. I went to elementary school at Washington Elementary in Waukegan, Illinois, just a 5-hour drive away right outside Chicago. I currently am enrolled at Eastern Michigan University, and my major is media studies and journalism. That involves a lot of writing, talking, people you see on top of the news, people you see on Sports Center, even to people behind the scenes controlling the media and controlling in the rooms where musicians are as well, taking video, recording, all those types of things go into that field. I'm also a minor in sociology. With sociology, that's how people involve and work in the community. And you realize that connection of how we and the things around us affect us and how we affect them. I also am in the National Guard, Michigan Army National Guard, and I've been in there for about 2 years now. I am a cook, a 92 Golf, and I also work at Childs Elementary in Lincoln Consolidated School District. Today we're going to read What Sound is Morning by Grant Snyder. In the first morning light, all is quiet, or is it? Listen. When you wake up, what do you hear? Welcome by the day by exploring the exuberant sounds, the loud, the beautiful, and soft silences of morning. In first morning lights, all is quiet, or is it? Listen. What do you hear? What sound is morning? Maybe it's your alarm clock. Lights click on, a cat softly creeps. A baby babbles, wind whispers and leaves. What do you hear outside your window in the morning? Sprinklers hiss on summer lawns. A rooster crows to greet the dawn. Now, you may not have a rooster at your home, but I'm sure someone greets you in the morning. Who is that? What greets you? The silent sun rises and the world wakes up. A man shouts after a zooming off bus. Cars and trucks grumble on their way to the city. Stomachs rumble as they pass the bakery. That sounds yummy. An old dog yawns, awake from a dream. What did you dream about last night? Frogs croak and splash in a murmuring stream. A shower trickles, a mirror squeaks. A garbage truck clanks down a quiet street. Breakfast sizzles. Hopeful paws tap the floor. What do you like to eat for breakfast? In an open field, balloons rise and roar. Do you know what these are? These are hot air balloons. Today is a melody still to be written. Today is a tune no one's heard before. Every day is a new day. So greet the new day with a stretch and a yawn. Throw open the window and fill the world with your song. You get to be in charge of how your day starts. How will you start your day? Thanks for reading with me. What sound is morning?